As he mentioned, my name's Rob Lay. I'm a camera and computer vision product manager at Qualcomm. And I'm going to introduce hybrid computer vision architecture for imaging applications that we've implemented at Qualcomm. We introduced this on our 855 processor, and we're rolling out additional, newer and more capable versions in our future chipsets. Why are we doing this? So, by looking at the capabilities of computer vision and deep learning, we have an opportunity to not only enhance image quality and the user experience through new and compelling applications, but we can do it with better KPIs and at lower power and bandwidth points. So we're going to touch on the imaging challenges that we're faced with. I'm going to touch on our computer vision ISP that we recently announced, and go over our heterogeneous architecture, and then go into some depth on the computer vision assets that we provide, that we've hardened into silicon. And deep learning is a primary consumer of our computer vision output. And so I'm going to present a couple of our applications that we've implemented, and go over the hybrid architecture and how it improves the overall performance.